Niftylift's hybrid system is versatile and efficient, allowing the machine to operate in a wide range of environments. Understanding how the system works is paramount to getting the most out of your Niftylift Hybrid. The hybrid system allows a Niftylift to automatically draw power from both the diesel engine and the electric battery pack. There are two power modes: hybrid, where both systems work in unison, and electric only, which utilises the electric battery pack alone. Selecting a power mode is easy. If the engine is running, then the hybrid system is active. If the engine is off, then the machine is running in electric only mode. Hybrid mode offers the maximum power available, ideal for working outdoors. The battery charge will increase or decrease based on the power demand. Leaving the engine running for 30 minutes after any high-duty use will allow the hybrid's diesel regen system to fast-charge the batteries, ensuring that they are ready for the next operation. During light-duty operation, such as multi-function boom use, surplus power from the engine charges the batteries. This keeps the batteries healthy and ensures there is energy stored and available for the next heavy-duty operation. If the battery level reads 100%, a good way to save on fuel consumption is to switch off the hybrid system and use electric only for stationary work. Electric-only mode is ideal for working in noise-sensitive areas and indoor environments. This mode offers a minimum of a full day's work on a single charge, operating quietly with zero emissions. The drive speed of the Niftylift will be lower than when the full hybrid system is engaged, making this suited for manoeuvring through indoor locations. The boom speed is identical to when the machine is operating with the full hybrid system. When using the electric-only mode, it's imperative to charge the batteries overnight to ensure there is no disruption to the following day's work. As a general rule, it is always good to charge the batteries from a main source overnight, even if the battery levels are high. This ensures the batteries are fully conditioned for any type of work the following day. If a fast charge is required, then switching on the engine and leaving it running will charge the batteries quicker than charging from a mains power source. It's usually best to utilise the hybrid system whenever possible in order to keep the batteries in peak condition. If the machine's charge drops to 15%, a warning will appear on screen as a reminder to charge the batteries. If the charge drops even further to 10%, the hybrid system will constantly regen until the battery level is back up above 16%. During this time, the boost function will no longer be available and machine performance will be reduced. To prevent this from happening in the first place, it is best to keep the batteries at a healthy charge. Using the right power mode for the right location and taking good care of the batteries will ensure you get the most out of your hybrid machine.